Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these Christmas wreath decorations or ornaments for your Christmas tree. It is super easy to make. All you need is 2 colors of yarns or 3 colors of yarns. It's up to you what color you prefer anyway. So let's make a slip knot to begin and then make a chain of 31. You can make it longer if you want, just keep adding a number of chain. So I have here a chain of 31 in total. Go in the 4th chain from your hook. And then make 1 double crochet. Insert your hook and make 1 double crochet like this. Make another 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And then 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Keep repeating 3 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch or the last chain. I am here in my last chain and I'm gonna make my 3 double crochet, 2 and 3 in 1 stitch. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. You can secure the remaining stitch now or later, it's up to you. And this is how it looked like after making 3 double crochet per stitches. So we're gonna twist this to get that curl effect. So keep twisting or turning. Turn until the very end. And that's basically it, what we need. It's super easy and simple and fast to make using double crochet. Make another piece of this and choose your colors. I had red one that I choose for my next color combination, which is here. Keep twisting until the very end that it gives the effect of pearl like this. And after that we're gonna combine these two together to give us that effect from this Christmas wreath. Place it on top of each other, the one without the lace on the bottom. As you can see, the leftover yarns is in the bottom and the ones without, place it on top together and twist them with each other. It's very easy and simple. Making sure these yarns that is in the bottom has to be in the bottom. And then keep turning it if you find that it's not twisting properly anymore because of the turning. So as you can see, like that. So keep moving all the way to the bottom. And that's it. Secure the stitches on top and on the bottom. Actually, it's only in the bottom that we need to secure because of all these yarns here. Try to make sure that all this red and yarn are properly twisted in the bottom, and also the yarns that is left over here. I see these 2 yarns here together and I'm just gonna make a knot, and it closes perfectly here on the top. That's why I decided to close them later. And this part here, I'm gonna also fold it here on the top, and it gives us a nice effect of folding like this. Try to make it look like that you're still twisting in the end as well. And it's up to you how you connect that one, as long as they are nicely twisted in the end as well. So I'm gonna pull that one here, and then I'm gonna make a knot like that, and it gives this still nice and clean twirl in the end. And then I'm just gonna grab all of these things, the leftover yarns here in the bottom that they kind of like hiding, and I'm still gonna try to secure them under, and that it looks cleaner in the end. Be careful of the hook as you pull it down here, because sometimes it can grab the yarns that we crocheted already. And I still find myself turning them because they are unraveling themselves or unturning themselves. And as you can see, it's much cleaner now, slowly but surely. And then I'm gonna make another knot here, securing them in the bottom. 1 and 2 knots, and cut the yarn after that. Secure the other end of this one, making a knot. Secure it how you want it, as long as it is nicely secured here in the bottom. So I'm just using a needle and a yarn here to sew and secure them properly. And once you're done, cut the yarn, and this is pretty stretchy. And then now we're gonna connect these two ends together to form a circle. So I'm just making a knot and secure them with a yarn and needle as well, as long as they are nicely formed into a circle. Now we're ready for the second step, which is making a ribbon. I am chaining 33 chains. You can make it longer if you want for the ribbon, and I'm using white for that. You can choose whatever yarn color of the ribbon that you like. Just a chain of 33. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn, and this is how it looks like. So I'm making a knot to make a ribbon. First fold these two ends here and make a knot. Careful that nothing is going through and that everything stays. Make it tight and place it there exactly where we connect the two ends. I'm using a needle and a yarn and place it there through that loop behind of the nice ribbon, and transferring into the other loop and connect. Make a knot to attach that one. You simply make a knot there and then cut the yarn. To hang the Christmas wreath, take a yarns and place it on top of that Christmas wreath and make a knot in the end of that to be able to hang this Christmas wreath, which is super easy. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video and share it with your friends. This is super easy to make and very much fun. And there you go, you have your Christmas wreath handmade DIY. You can make many more you want for your Christmas tree ornaments. There you have it. I hope you love them. I make white and red, and they're both super cute and I'm loving them so much, and they're the perfect size of all.